Here is an unboxing of my first Artsnacks box, and this is the special edition birthday box. So I've already opened it and started unboxing, but of course the tripod fell, so let's start over again. Okay, first thing, we're gonna set our little menu over there. And since this is the birthday box, here's the special edition pencil case. Looks like this is going to be a limited edition Artsnacks exclusive, and it's got 2 sections on it. I absolutely love the color. And it looks like this can hold a lot of supplies. That'll be really neat. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh boy, it looks like a Warhead Extreme Sour and Lemon. At least I can handle lemon. And our Artsnacks. And it looks like there's also some stickers in here. Limited edition sticker sheet. I absolutely adore them. They are so cute. Alright. Let's see. Kind of excited. This is my first one, and I've seen a lot of reveals, and ooh, already I can tell it is a Copic Chow. I absolutely love Copics. I only have a few, but of course the color they chose for mine, it's purple, and that is wonderful. Let's see, it's got a chisel nib and a brush tip, which I absolutely adore, but it's also in purple, and I love purple. Purple's my favorite. Ooh, and a Copic multi-liner in 0.05 in black. Ooh, I'm just so excited on this one. I've always wanted to try these. Let's see what else we got. Farbreeson Color Gyrant, Lyra in blue. And in red. They are large colored pencils, and actually I've been reading that blue and red are extremely good for if you want to scan your artwork digitally. So that'll be interesting to give these a try too. Alright, I'm excited to see what I can do. And I would say overall, for my first Artsnacks, this was absolutely awesome. Thanks, guys.